Hello everyone, if your Black Ops 7 keeps crashing on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 crashing on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here exploit protection, and then you're going to go into program settings, click add program to customize, click choose exact file path, and then you're going to go into your Black Ops 7's directory. So I don't have Call of Duty Black Ops 7 installed, so I'm going to use BF6 as an example. And here what you need to do is you need to override system settings on everything here and just turn off everything. So just keep overriding settings and turning off everything here, just like how I'm doing right now. And after that, click apply. And once you do that, what you're going to do now is you're going to open up your Steam. You're going to right click on Call of Duty, go into install files, click verify integrity of game files, and that will verify the game's files integrity. And after the integrity verification is done, now you can go ahead and play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and you'll see that you won't get those crashes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.